Hello, supporters. I have some great news on the engine front right now. Once again, I've been making some calls, looking for the engine and also for someone to install the engine. And I found two engines. I found two engines that are ready for purchase right now. One of them, and this one seems like the more attractive one to me right now, is from Dakota Auto Parts. In Dallas, Texas. So they have an engine from a 2015 E450. Now my E450 is actually a 2012. They have one that came from a 2015 vehicle. It only has 65,000 miles on it, and they are asking for $2,500, and it comes with a 6-month warranty, parts and labor. And if I want like a 1-year warranty, they want $3,150 for it. They'll ship it here. They'll ship it to me for $150, or I can go there and just, and they have someone who can do it there for about $1,000, or they can send me to a shop in the area, which will do it in Dallas. And I'm sure there's many options in Dallas. So that's sounding so good right now. Guys, I've been getting so emotional. I don't know. I've never been this emotional in my life, man. Hearing that good news, I started crying. Just hearing that good news. And then there's also another option somewhere in, what part of Texas is this? Brownwood, Texas. They have one that came from a 2011 vehicle. 2011 vehicle. Has 155,000 miles on it. 6-month warranty. They're asking for $2,694. For a 1-year warranty, they're asking for $3,440. They'll ship it to me for only $60. And they don't have anyone that can install it or anything like that. This is just they just do the parts. Yeah, so that's another option right there. Obviously, the first option is sounding much better right now. And the guy named Joe, he was, I'm the type of person, I connect with people. I can kind of hear the how genuine people are when they speak. Something about the Dakota one sounds pretty good, and especially that it's in Dallas. Justin, I know you're in Dallas. I can see you while I'm out there, and there's so many options in Dallas, for installation. That sounding so good right now. This is a real option right now that's available right now. Just updating you guys about the progress. So I'm excited. I'm emotional. This is happening very soon. So what you guys think about these two options right now? I'm still looking at other options, but what do you guys think? Let me know. Tell me in the comments.